Hello and welcome to Unruffled Baking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe. Today we are making oat milk. You will need 2 muslin or cheesecloth squares that are 30 cm by 30 cm, some string or ribbon, a blender, a sieve, a bowl, 2 jugs with 600 ml of water in each. To make a light oat milk, use 60 grams of oats. To make a thicker oat milk, use 100 grams. Soak the oats in 600 ml of water for 30 minutes. You can buy oat milk, but if you can't find it in the shops or you want a cheaper option, you can use this recipe. After 30 minutes, pour the oats into the sieve. Then rinse with the tap. Now put the oats in the blender and add the other 600 ml of water. Blend until smooth. Get your muslin or cheesecloth squares and tie the corners together as shown. The lighter oat milk can be used to make a single cream, which I'll be showing you in a later video. Pull the string or ribbon underneath the 2 knots. Now we hang the muslin up. I like to hang it from the handle of a kitchen cupboard. Place the bowl under the muslin or cheesecloth. Pour the blended oats into the muslin or cheesecloth and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes has passed, squeeze all of the liquid out of the muslin or cheesecloth. Set up the second muslin or cheesecloth square as shown previously, and pour the blended oats through again. Give the muslin or cheesecloth a squeeze, and now you have made oat milk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.